In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find word count in Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are two ways you can find word counts, and the shortest and the easiest method is just to head down here and you should see the total number of words that are contained on your document. And as you can see, I have this long document, and the easiest way to find the word count is just by using this word count option. However, in some situation, you may want the specifics, including the word count on paragraphs. To do this, to get more detailed word count details, use the second method. And in this, head over to review here on your Microsoft Word and then choose this option, word count. Now, if you click on it, you should see we have now the specifications, for instance, number of pages, word count, character without space and character with space, paragraphs, as well as lines in this document. So this gives a comprehensive details about your word count on your specific paper or page. So if you want to find word count on a specific paragraph, it's also possible. Just go ahead and highlight the paragraph like this and then head again to review and then click on word count. Now this will give you the word count for that paragraph. As you can see here, the words are 70 for this specific paragraph. Once you're done, I can just close. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to find word count on your Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.